Welcome back to Forestry Technology, where raw timber meets real engineering, and every cut is powered by torque, hydraulics, and smart design. This isn't backyard firewood hacking. How cool is this? A screw-type log splitter powered by an Ursus C330 tractor. That's a serious power couple. The rotating cone bites into tough ash like it's nothing. The real question is, can it handle oak or beech just as confidently? Judging by the torque, it looks ready for serious hardwood. But brute rotation isn't the only answer. Enter hydraulic force. Compact splitters delivering up to 12 tons of pressure use a clean driving wedge to slice through oak and beech with total control. Mounted to workstations, they turn firewood prep into something faster, safer, and far more efficient. Built tough for forestry pros, smooth enough for daily use. Let's be honest, splitting by hand feels satisfying for the first dozen swings. After that, not so much. Hydraulic log splitters change the game completely. You feel the controlled force as the wedge moves through a log like it's nothing. It's not just efficient, it's addictive in a mechanical kind of way. Then we step into industrial territory. Heavy-duty splitters pushing up to 50 tons of force, reinforced steel frames, four-way wedges, fast cycle times. Powered by engines like the Honda GX series, they're ready for remote forestry sites and full-scale logging operations. These aren't toys, they're production tools. Some machines feel almost artistic. Blades slicing and dicing logs with ninja-like precision. Speed, efficiency, and zero wasted motion. If you're done with slow, back-breaking labor, this is the kind of upgrade that makes sense. Take the Sawquick Split X450, Canadian engineering paired with raw hydraulic muscle. Up to 45 tons of splitting force. Dual log positioning arms. Reinforced steel construction. It turns entire hardwood trunks into perfectly split firewood in seconds, fast, clean, relentless. cutting smarter matters too. The Foxtech saw horse with chainsaw holder locks the saw in place, turning it into a stable cutting station. No awkward balancing. Less kickback risk. Slide the log forward, slice cleanly through. Adjustable, foldable, powder-coated steel, perfect for home prep or mobile forestry work. Some setups go even further. Massive 700mm circular blades mounted on pivoting cradle systems. Surprisingly mobile, quick to set up, and built for non-stop performance. Whether you're processing firewood or prepping timber, clean and controlled cuts make all the difference. Even homemade innovation has a place here. Electric drag saw conversions prove that efficiency and quieter operation can coexist. Taking old-school mechanics and upgrading them with electric drive, that's smart forestry thinking. Then there's the Stefan Kruchten Quattro 250 German precision in a 4-blade revolution. One hydraulic motion splits a log into multiple segments. Compact design, industrial output, ideal for farms, firewood businesses, and mobile operations. Adjustable blade systems handle varying log sizes with minimal waste and maximum yield. Need portability without losing stability? A petrol saw mounted on a stand delivers workstation-level precision while remaining easy to transport. Precision and portability combine, no compromise. Forestry isn't just about cutting, it's about creating value. Machines that turn aspen and larch into eco-friendly roofing shingles prove timber can be both sustainable and beautiful. Durable, repairable, and environmentally responsible, a smarter way to build. The Nava H60 from Finland works like a claw. Mounted directly to tractors or loaders, it grips, lifts, and splits in one smooth motion. With 60 kilonewtons of force, it crushes tough logs without ever touching the ground. Rotating grapple positioning saves time and your back. For high-volume operations, automation rules. The Posh AutoCut brings Austrian engineering to firewood processing. Tungsten-tipped circular blade, programmable cutting lengths, conveyor-fed automation, millimeter accuracy with minimal labor. That's what production-scale efficiency looks like. The Shirtle saw reimagines the traditional chainsaw as a walk-behind cutting system. Quick-release mounting, reduced fatigue, lower binding risk. It gives an old tool a completely new role, safer and more productive. And before any timber becomes finished lumber, debarking machines step in. They smooth raw logs, preparing them for treatment and fine craftsmanship. Blade sharpness and size adjustment are critical for peak performance. This is where raw timber begins its transformation. At the end of the day, a tractor and splitter combination on the farm remains hard to beat. Efficient, practical, powerful. It takes the strain out of splitting and gets more done in less time. But no matter how advanced the machinery becomes, one rule never changes. Safety first, focus sharp, respect the torque. This is Forestry Technology, where innovation meets hardwood and engineering does the heavy lifting.